HyperX headsets are reliable gaming peripherals, but like any electronic device, they can encounter issues that require a reset to restore proper functionality. The most common issues that require a reset include complete audio loss, distorted sound output, microphone detection problems, and wireless connectivity drops. There are three types of resets available for HyperX headsets. A soft reset handles temporary glitches while preserving your settings. A hard reset returns everything to factory defaults, erasing customizations. A firmware reset addresses the deepest system conflicts using HyperX Ingenuity software. The HyperX Ingenuity software provides the most comprehensive reset options and is essential for firmware-level troubleshooting. You should perform an immediate reset when experiencing complete audio loss, microphone detection failures, severe distortion, or frequent connection drops. These are clear indicators that your headset needs intervention. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach helps determine which type of reset is most appropriate for your specific issue. The key to successful troubleshooting is matching the reset type to your problem's severity. Use soft resets for temporary issues, hard resets for persistent problems, and firmware resets for deep system conflicts. There are different reset methods depending on whether you have a wireless or wired HyperX headset. We'll cover the most effective approaches for each type. For wireless HyperX headsets, there are three main reset methods you can try. The first method is the power plus volume down reset. Hold both the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The second method involves the USB receiver. Simply unplug the wireless receiver from your computer for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. The third method uses the HyperX Ingenuity software. Open the software, select your headset, go to Device Settings, and choose the Factory Reset option. For wired HyperX headsets, the reset process focuses on driver management and system-level resets. The most effective method for wired headsets is driver reinstallation. Open Device Manager, find your HyperX headset, right-click and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the Delete Driver software box, then restart your computer. For a hardware reset, disconnect your headset for at least 2 minutes and clear the system audio cache. This helps resolve deeper connectivity issues. Advanced users can also perform a registry cleanup to remove HyperX-related entries from the Windows registry. This method should only be attempted by experienced users, as incorrect registry modifications can cause system issues. Remember to try these methods in order of complexity. Start with the simpler wireless reset methods, use driver reinstallation for wired headsets, and only attempt registry cleanup if other methods fail.